So, I've already filmed a video reviewing the Ajax Alarm System, and we were going to cut it together and put it up yesterday. However, inspired by a post I saw talking about how it's just another basic alarm and anybody can put one of these up, I thought I'd change it up a bit. But we're going to talk really quickly about a few of the bits in this lovely demo case. So we have, really quickly, magnetic contact, motion sensor, central hub, smoke detector, internal siren, leak detector, curtain sensor, double panic button, and a fob. There you go, that's what you need to know. Or is it? There are a few other things you can do with this thing. So before we go any further, I just wanted to point out that we actually do have 3 alarm systems here at the office. We've got our Texcom system, our Pyrolysis Enforcer, and then obviously you've got the Ajax system with sensors for all 3 systems built onto the door there. Now what we're going to be using for this project is this shock sensor here, also using the magnetic contact side of it, and we're going to be using the Ajax relay to operate this thing, which I'm going to go into more detail now. Okay, so on today's video of Sandra's completely pointless and stupid things, I'm going to turn this electric nerf gun into my own personal turret, just to warn off any would-be intruders to the office. So stay tuned while I do some disassembly. Okay, we've taken it apart. Now to figure out how it all works. Okay, trial run 1. Let's go open this app up. Turn him on. No, that's a misfire. And the problem is, it can't get around that bend. Okay, test run 2 with a little bit more leverage. Oh God! Oh my God! What to do this? So, to give you a little bit of context, what we're working with here is a motor from a nerf gun, battery pack from the nerf gun, stuck on there nicely, and a little Ajax relay there. So the reason that we're using the battery pack is because the motor doesn't like our 12-volt power supply, and I was scared I might burn it out. So the only thing that's actually got its own power here from the mains is the relay. And then yeah, it's literally just a cut in there. The relay acts as a switch which triggers the motor, set to the normally open position, so when it's triggered it gets to normally closed. demonstrate, we've turned the timer off on our door contact there. So when the alarm is armed and we open the door, the alarm should go straight off and make lots of noise. At the same time, that will start firing. So bear with me while we test this out. Safety first. So just to wrap this video up, I just wanted to say that this is a really dumb application, and please don't do this at home. It took far too much of my time and was just really stupid, really. But the relays can control stuff such as lights, music. It can trigger all sorts of stuff. I think you're only limited by your imagination, really. So have a look over at the Ajax website, take a look at some of their products, and if you've got any more questions, reach out to us and we're more than happy to help, okay? Until next time.